Impeller from South Marine Parts. South Machine Outboard Accessories. Water impeller 3B2650211188920, and then a whole bunch of other numbers. So this is like $13. So it doesn't come with a key, but what I want to see is does it fit this Tohatsu 4-stroke, and the model number that it needs to fit is WFS9, which is the model number, WFS9. So let's see if this is an exact match. So it looks like it's close enough. And then there's a keyway that looks like that. It goes all the way through. Does ours have a keyway that looks like that?
On the bottom. You can't see it, remember?
But this one shows it all the way through, though.
Oh. No, I don't.
Yeah, this keyway is open like that, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because the other keyway was like only show it from the bottom.
Yeah. Oh.
Is that the only keyway?
I think so. Yeah.
Only the bottom, huh? There's no...
So it shows all the way. So it shows on both sides. So this guy shows it on both sides.
So wrong time?
Same kind.
Yeah, that's good. All right, so we're gonna keep this in the baggage.
Yeah.
And then we'll keep it
Yeah.
somewhere safe with the boat probably.